Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do I Make Sure My Remodel Matches the Style of My Home? All right, folks, let's talk about achieving that perfect blend of new and existing in your home remodel, a mix smoother than a fine bourbon. Whether you're planning a kitchen facelift or a full-blown home makeover, staying true to your home's style can be as tricky as mastering the cha-cha with two left feet. But fear not, because I'm here with a few nuggets of wisdom to keep your renovation rhythm in check. First, you need to define the style of your home. Is it a colonial classic with those stunning pillars? Or is it more of a modern marvel with sharp angles and minimalistic flair? Once you've pinned down the DNA of your digs, you'll want the update to feel like a natural progression, not a style mismatch that sticks out like my Aunt Edna at a hip-hop concert. Your starting point is the architecture itself. Take cues from the bones of your house, those original features that give it character, and find ways to complement and enhance them. This isn't the moment for dated wallpaper, folks. You're aiming for timeless, not time-warped. Now, if you're eyeing a kitchen remodel, think about materials and finishes. A farmhouse sink in a modern loft could be as jarring as pineapple on a pizza. Stick with materials that rhyme with your home's existing vibe, like matching quartz counters with sleek, glossy cabinets in a contemporary setting. And y'all, lighting is your best ally. Choose fixtures that not only illuminate but also resonate with your home's character. Recessed lighting might suit a modern home, while ornate chandeliers scream elegance for colonial or Victorian-era spaces. It's like picking the right jewelry for your outfit, ensuring it accentuates without overwhelming. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A professional remodeler or designer can guide you in keeping that stylistic harmony. They're like the conductors in your home's orchestra. They ensure everything plays in perfect harmony without a discordant note. Finally, think about flow. Each room in your home should feel connected to the next, like pages in a novel telling a seamless story. Consistent flooring, complementary wall colors, and smart, unified decor all play into this narrative. Remember, your remodel should feel like an evolution, not a revolution. By keeping things cohesive, you ensure that every enhancement is a chapter adding charm and value to your home. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.